I take the train to work. I take the train to work. I spray roaches in my bedroom. I spray roaches in my bedroom. Please take a flyer. Please take a flyer. I'm so happy you're home. I'm so happy you're home. Don't touch the stove. Don't touch the stove. Let's install the camera here. Let's install the camera here. I'm waiting to board the plane. I'm waiting to board the plane. I'd like to order, please. I'd like to order, please. Grandma, let's look at the old album. Grandma, let's look at the old album. I make a jar of pickles. I make a jar of pickles. Clean the fridge, please. Clean the fridge, please. We sell fresh meat here. We sell fresh meat here. Welcome home, soldier. Welcome home, soldier. Don't do that again. Don't do that again. I miss the bus to work. I miss the bus to work. I have kidney stones. I have kidney stones. Let me check your temperature. Let me check your temperature. Please have some hot soup. Please have some hot soup. Load the boxes onto the truck. Load the boxes onto the truck. My leg has varicose veins. My leg has varicose veins. Let's plant these tulip bulbs. Let's plant these tulip bulbs. I feel lonely this Christmas. I feel lonely this Christmas. Don't eat the snow. Don't eat the snow. We are one big family. We are one big family. Let's open the Christmas gifts. Let's open the Christmas gifts.
The doctor shows the implants. The doctor shows the implants. Everyone, get out now. Everyone, get out now. I get a flat tire. I get a flat tire. We sell fresh seafood. We sell fresh seafood. I get braces today. I get braces today. Shovel the snow, please. Shovel the snow, please. Let's play with the sand. Let's play with the sand. I buy fresh vegetables. I buy fresh vegetables. Let's go see the photo exhibit. Let's go see the photo exhibit. I'm breastfeeding my baby. I'm breastfeeding my baby. I lie down on the sofa. I lie down on the sofa. Someone just robbed me. Someone just robbed me. This flower smells so good. This flower smells so good. I'm here to vote. I'm here to vote. Grandpa, I'm home. Grandpa, I'm home. I need advice on buying a car. I need advice on buying a car. Turn on the air conditioner. Turn on the air conditioner. You've grown so tall. You've grown so tall. Eat well, okay? Eat well, okay? My stomach feels bloated. My stomach feels bloated. Use the fire extinguisher. Use the fire extinguisher. Let me smell this perfume. Let me smell this perfume. Check the ground meat. Check the ground meat. My ear hurts. My ear hurts. I'm a busy mom. I'm a busy mom.
Heat up the pizza. Heat up the pizza. We lost the corn crop. We lost the corn crop. I'm gluing the broken pottery back together. I'm gluing the broken pottery back together. Let's go to the flea market. Let's go to the flea market. I'm having an allergic reaction. I'm having an allergic reaction. The lens on my glasses broke. The lens on my glasses broke. The neighbor has been drilling all day. The neighbor has been drilling all day. Put these dirty clothes in the basket. Put these dirty clothes in the basket. Let's release the lanterns. Let's release the lanterns. I work at airport security. I work at airport security. I got my lashes done. I got my lashes done. We're throwing a BBQ this weekend. We're throwing a BBQ this weekend. I scroll on my phone in bed. I scroll on my phone in bed. I feel like I'm going to throw up. I feel like I'm going to throw up. Let's look at the treasure map. Let's look at the treasure map. Let's make pancakes together. Let's make pancakes together. I'm afraid of ghosts. I'm afraid of ghosts. Put the dishes away. Put the dishes away. Let's stretch a bit. Let's stretch a bit. I'm being bullied online. I'm being bullied online. Dad, Mom is not feeling well. Dad, Mom is not feeling well. I'm doing some electrical work. I'm doing some electrical work. I'm blowing leaves with a leaf blower. I'm blowing leaves with a leaf blower. It's crazy hot today. It's crazy hot today. I feed the pigs. I feed the pigs.